Children, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nursery class, welcome back once again to your English class. In the previous class, I taught you how to write the missing alphabets. In today's class, I will dictate you some alphabets and you will write these alphabets in your 4 lines copy. So get ready with the 4 line copies, pencil and eraser. Okay, so let's start. First alphabet is A. A for apple. Write A. A for apple. A for apple. Now next alphabet is C. Write C. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. Now write F. F for fish. F for fish. Now write G. G for gun. G for gun. G for gun. Now write I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Now write K. K for kite. K for kite. Written all of you? K for kite. Now next alphabet is M. Write M. M for mango. M for mango. Now write O. O for orange. O for orange. Have you all written O? Now write Q. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Written all of you? Q for quilt. Now next alphabet is T. T for tap. T for tap. Write T. Small t. You all have to write small alphabets. Small t. T for tap. Now write small v. V for van. V for van. Now next alphabet is Y. Write Y. Small y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Now next alphabet is D. Small d. D for duck. D for duck. Have you all written? Now next alphabet is J. Small j. J for jug. J for jug. Now next alphabet is P. Small p. P for pen. P for pen. Now small W. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Now write small L. L for leg. L for leg. Now write small R. R for rat. R for rat. Now write small n. N for net. N for net. Now once again I am repeating the alphabets. Write small a for apple, small c, c for cat, small f, f for fish, small g, g for gun, small I for ice cream, small k, k for kite, small m, m for mango, small o, o for orange, small q, q for quill, small t, t for tap, small v, v for van, small y, y for yacht, small d, d for duck, small j, j for jug, small p, p for pen, small l, l for leg, small r, r for rat, small n, n for net. Now you will see if you have written the correct alphabet, put a tick over there, and if you have written wrong alphabet, put a cross over there. First letter was A for apple. If you have written A like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross like this. Okay? Next letter is C. If you have written C like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Okay? Now, next letter is F. If you have written F like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is G. If you have written G like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is I. If you have written I like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is K. If you have written K like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Now next letter is M. If you have written M like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is O. If you have written O like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is Q. If you have written Q like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Now next letter is T. If you have written T like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is V. If you have written V like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is Y. If you have written Y like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is D. If you have written D like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is J. If you have written J like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is P. If you have written P like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is U. If you have written U like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is T. If you have written Oh, sorry, next letter is L. If you have written L like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Next letter is X. If you have written X like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Sorry, next letter was R. It was not X. It was R. If you have written R like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Now next letter is N. If you have written N like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Okay? So do the practice of dictation at home. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.